Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the depth unit on the Navionics Boating application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And you go to the menu option next to the start button at the bottom of the screen and go to the settings section. Click to the units option, and here you can find the second option, the depth, and here you can select meters, feet or fathoms, and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.